Welcome to Twilio Tips Episode 2. Twilio tips are never longer than 2 minutes, so let's get started. Tip number 2 is, what is TwiML? TwiML is a language that you use to communicate your intents to Twilio. It stands for Twilio Markup Language, and it's a set of nouns and verbs that tell Twilio what to do. For instance, let's say that a user sends a text message to your Twilio phone number. Twilio then makes an HTTP request to your web app. Now, your web app needs to tell Twilio what to do with that incoming text message, so it returns some TwiML. And if the TwiML looks like this, then Twilio sends an MMS to the user that contains the text hi and the image at the image URL that you specify in the media tag. Let's take a closer look at this TwiML. As I mentioned, there are verbs and nouns that make up TwiML. The verb in this case is message. This says, for the incoming text message you just received, Twilio, please send a message back. So message is a verb here. And body and media are nouns. The body is the text to send, and the media is the image to send. This is also useful for voice calls. So say an incoming voice call comes into your Twilio phone number, you want to read back some text. So you want to say the text, which is the noun here, thanks for calling, please hold. Now you can write this by hand, but very frequently you'll be using a helper library. In this case, this is the Node.js code to generate the TwiML that we just saw in the previous example. In future tips, we'll go over tons of different ways that you can use TwiML, but in the meantime, if you want to check out the docs, I got the links down in the description and they're shown on the screen right now.